Fatty fish oil and algae-based supplements are among the most powerful and scientifically supported sources of brain-nourishing omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA, docosahexaenoic acid, and EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid. These long-chain polyunsaturated fatty acids are critical components of neuronal membranes and play a central role in maintaining the structural integrity, flexibility, and functionality of brain cells. DHA, in particular, is highly concentrated in the cerebral cortex and the retina, areas of the brain involved in memory, learning, and visual processing. Adequate levels of DHA ensure that neurons communicate efficiently, supporting synaptic plasticity, cognitive processing, and overall mental performance. EPA, while present in smaller amounts in the brain, contributes to reducing neuroinflammation, promoting vascular health, and supporting the brain's protective environment, which is essential for preserving cognitive function over time. One of the key benefits of concentrated omega-3 supplementation is its ability to support the structural and functional integrity of neurons. DHA is incorporated into the phospholipid bilayer of cell membranes, increasing membrane fluidity and allowing receptors, signaling molecules, and neurotransmitters to move efficiently. This improved membrane flexibility enhances neuronal communication, which is essential for learning, memory, attention, and complex problem-solving. Synaptic plasticity, the ability of neurons to form new connections and strengthen existing ones, is heavily dependent on DHA availability, meaning that omega-3s directly influence the brain's capacity to adapt, learn, and retain information. EPA complements this by helping to regulate inflammatory processes in the brain, protecting neurons from chronic low-grade inflammation that can impair cognition and accelerate age-related decline. In addition to supporting neuron structure and synaptic function, omega-3s from fish oil or algae supplements have been linked to improved mood regulation and emotional well-being. EPA, in particular, has been associated with the production and balance of neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine, which influence motivation, stress resilience, and cognitive clarity. By maintaining healthy levels of these neurotransmitters, omega-3s can reduce symptoms of depression, improve focus, and enhance overall mental performance. This combination of cognitive and emotional support makes omega-3 supplementation particularly valuable in modern lifestyles, where stress, fatigue, and cognitive demands are frequent. For individuals who do not consume fatty fish regularly, algae-based supplements offer a highly effective, plant-based alternative that provides DHA in a concentrated and bioavailable form. Unlike other vegetarian sources, algae-derived DHA delivers the same structural and functional benefits as fish oil without the need for animal-derived products, making it accessible to vegans, vegetarians, or those with dietary restrictions. Algae supplements also bypass concerns about mercury or other environmental toxins sometimes found in fish, providing a clean, reliable source of omega-3s that can be used consistently for long-term brain support. Omega-3 supplementation has been shown to confer measurable benefits in both younger adults and aging populations. In younger adults, adequate DHA and EPA support attention, learning efficiency, and memory retention, enhancing performance in cognitively demanding tasks. In older adults, omega-3 intake is associated with slower cognitive decline, improved executive function, and a reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's. By preserving neuronal health, supporting anti-inflammatory processes, and enhancing synaptic plasticity, fish oil and algae supplements provide both preventive and restorative benefits for the brain. The vascular benefits of omega-3s further amplify their cognitive effects. DHA and EPA support endothelial function, improve blood vessel flexibility, and enhance cerebral blood flow, ensuring that neurons receive sufficient oxygen and nutrients for optimal performance. Enhanced circulation contributes to mental clarity, faster reaction times, and improved processing speed, while also creating a neuroprotective environment that reduces the risk of vascular-related cognitive impairment. Practical use of these supplements is straightforward and can be tailored to individual needs. Standard daily dosages of combined DHA and EPA from fish oil or algae capsules can help maintain adequate blood and brain levels of these critical fatty acids, particularly for individuals with limited dietary sources. Consistent supplementation over time allows the brain to incorporate these fatty acids into neuronal membranes gradually, providing long-lasting structural and functional support. Pairing supplementation with a balanced diet rich in other brain-supportive nutrients, such as antioxidants, B vitamins, and minerals, can create a synergistic effect that further enhances cognitive performance, memory, and emotional resilience. Overall, fish oil and algae-based omega-3 supplements provide a concentrated and highly effective means of supporting brain health, particularly for those who do not consume fatty fish regularly. DHA strengthens neuronal membranes and enhances synaptic plasticity, supporting memory, learning, and cognitive adaptability, while EPA reduces neuroinflammation, supports neurotransmitter balance, and promotes a healthy cerebral environment. Together, these omega-3s improve attention, processing speed, mood, and cognitive resilience, while also providing long-term protection against age-related decline and neurodegenerative diseases. Regular inclusion of fish oil or algae-derived supplements offers a scientifically supported, practical, and accessible strategy to maintain optimal brain function and mental vitality throughout life.